So this is the offices. The factory is actually behind. So we need to walk to the factory. When we walk to the factory, please using the yellow lines. And then when we get to the factory, each kid gets this booklet here and you get a stamp at each section. But please do not touch the stamps, so we will stamp it for you. So when we get to the factory, please, no photos or videos at any of the machines. So you can take photos of the walls, but just nothing through the windows, nothing of the machinery. Awesome. So we'll just wait a couple more minutes. We'll see if anybody else arrives and then we'll move on to the tour. Regulates your bowel movements. Really important, because in your gut we know we have good and bad, so it's important to have more good bacteria than bad. If you're having McDonald's every day, you're going to have more bad bacteria in your gut, and it's going to cause a lot of pain. So it's better to have more good bacteria in your gut. So probiotics in general as well, really important to reduce the risk of lifestyle-related diseases, prevention of infection. So during COVID, a lot of people started drinking Yakult to strengthen their immune system. So really important there to prevent them from getting sick. So any questions here? No? So we can move along now. So this is how they clean the tank. And we're producing around 350,000 bottles every day. And then Japan, where it all started, they have 12 factories. They're producing over 10 million bottles every day. Yeah, so it's a big difference. And then these are Yakult bottles from all over the world. You can see that Japanese ones, there's one, the green one is from Italy. We've got some Middle Eastern ones there as well. So it's different for each country. Any questions so far? Yeah?
2 questions. The other divisions, are the products of those divisions available in Australia?
No. We've reached the limit here at the factory. So
like the cosmetics and...
No, yeah, so we can't even make any more Yakult right now. Like
it's not even imported to
Nah, no, yeah.
So, is that because there's no market for it?
We haven't, I don't think we've looked into it.
Right.
But it could happen in the future. We haven't looked into it, but it might happen in the future.
And also, is Yakult kosher?
Not really, sort of different. Yeah. Yes.
Is Yakult medicine? Like, is it actually medicine?
It's not medicine, so you can have as many as you like. It won't make you sick or anything. So whatever your body doesn't need, it just goes to the toilet. So we recommend 1 a day, but you can have more. It won't hurt. Yeah, it's not medicine. Any other questions? So I'll actually bring out some new. It's alright. Thank you. Awesome. So, before I play this video, I'll quickly speak about the history of Yakult here. So, this is Dr. Minoru Shirota. So, he was a scientist in Japan in the 1930s. So, in 1930, he found the bacteria. In 1935, he started to sell Yakult. So, he wanted to focus on preventing illness rather than treating disease. He wanted to do that by having a healthy gut. And he wanted to do it at a price that anyone can afford, so for everybody, every day. So now there's 5 divisions of the company, foods and beverages. In Australia, we have the red and the blue Yakult. However, in other countries, there's Yakult noodles, Yakult green tea, Yakult ice cream, Yakult cosmetics, skincare. We have Yakult medicine. So all of this is done through research and development. And now in Australia, you can see that we have the red dot. That means that
Smells good, Mom. Hey, Dad. Good morning.
Araki, you're up.
Good morning, dear. I made sausages, your favorite.
Oh, this looks amazing.
Well, it's important to eat a good breakfast.
Thank you, Mom.
It's gonna be a good day. Yeah, the food is delicious as usual, honey.
But I try to cook everything with love.
Carrots.
Make sure you finish everything on your plate. You mustn't be such a picky eater.
You know, I always eat all my carrots and peppers.
Oh, is that so? Aren't you a good boy? What's the matter?
I'm just gonna grab some milk.
Hey, Araki! Good morning!
No way. Am I still dreaming? I must be half asleep. Ah!
Hey! Why'd you go and close the door on me?
Who the heck are you?
You don't know? My name's Yakult Man! And when you need guts, I'm Yakult Man!
You're Yakult Man.
Listen to me. Something terrible's happening in your gut.
What are you talking about? How do you know that?
No time to explain. Here we go!
Hold on! Where are you taking me?
Go, Yakult Man, go! An adventure through the gut! And we're here!
But where are we?
This is the Research Institute.
Research Institute?
Ah, it's you, Yakult Man. And you must be Haruki. Thanks for coming.
Okay, so who is the weird old man?
This is Dr. Kunitachi. And I suppose he does look a little weird.
You know, Yakult Man, I can hear everything you're saying, but it's what's on the inside that counts. Allow me to welcome you to my lab, Haruki.
Whoa! This is amazing!
Yes, isn't it? I work hard here night and day, researching the gut. It's my sincere wish for every person in the entire world to lead a healthy and happy life.
That's so neat!
Oh yeah, Doctor, we need to head out.
Huh? Where to?
We're going to take a look at your gut, Haruki.
My gut? You're crazy! That's impossible! Whoa! What is this thing? It's so shiny!
Do you like it? It's my greatest masterpiece, the Gut Exploration Machine.
Yakult Man! We'll hitch a ride on this thing and go inside your gut.
You're joking, right? There's no way that'll work.
You just wait and see. All aboard! Next stop, Haruki's gut.
Here we go!
Look closely. This is the inside of your body, Haruki.
I told you. I don't believe this is possible. It's raining?
That's actually gastric juice coming down. It's what dissolves the food you eat, like what you consumed earlier. Then the food is sent down to your gut.
Huh? Hey, that's my breakfast.
Don't you like vegetables, Haruki?
Oh, why would you say that?
There aren't any vegetables in here.
This is real. We're actually inside my stomach, aren't we?
Yes, and now we're entering your gut.
It's like a giant tunnel.
Exactly right. This part of your gut is super long.
Oh, cool. How long is it?
Let's see.
About 8 meters if it were stretched out.
Seriously?
This is an important place where the nutrients and water from the food you've eaten are absorbed into your body and where the leftovers are turned into waste. Oh dear, Haruki, it appears that your gut has gotten pretty dirty.
No, I didn't know. Oh, what's that?
Bacteria, the bad kind.
Bad bacteria?
There's lots of different types of bacteria here in your gut.
That's right. There's the good kind, like lactic acid bacteria, which are beneficial to your health. And then there's the bad kind that can be harmful to your health.
We've taken over! This gut belongs to us now!
Hey, what are you doing? Stop! You can't do this to my gut!
This isn't good. From the looks of things, we may be too late.
Ah!
If we're going to beat them, we need the awesome power of lactic acid bacteria.
Right. We'll get LCS Man to stop these bad guys. It'll help if you call him with me. All at once, we'll yell LCS Man!
Huh? LCS?
Ready? LCS, we need your help, please!
I'm here to keep your gut smiling. No bad bacteria stand a chance against my power. Hiya! Never you fear, LCS Man is now here.
All right, I knew you'd show up and save the day. Hey, watch out behind you! Yeah. Show them your special moves. LCS Jack! LCS! Wow!
This hero is a mighty ally who will help put your gut back into proper working order using the power of probiotics.
That's so cool. Please keep fighting, LCS Man.
Nice try, but there's no way you can beat all of us!
There's so many.
You see, if you're a picky eater, then bad bacteria will multiply.
That's not good. I won't let you run amok any longer. Lactic acid! Balls!
Don't underestimate us!
All right! You're such an amazing hero, LCS Man! Yeah! Yakult Man, this gun is under my protection.
I'm counting on you.
I think it's time we were getting you back home.
But wait a second. What about my gut? How do I keep it in good shape?
We've straightened things out for now, but make sure you remember what you've learned.
You mean me?
We'll do our best here, but we'll need your help too. That's it. See you later.
Oh, that kind of hurt. I'm back.
Oh, there you are, Haruki. Where'd you run off to?
Well, in the fridge there was this.
What are you talking about? This isn't the time to start making up stories.
Yeah, you're right. I was in the bathroom.
We looked in there too, kiddo.
I'll tell you the truth then. I was inside my own gut.
Your gut? This is no laughing matter, dear. You really do take after your father, don't you?
You always said you liked my sense of humor. Was that a lie?
Hey now, don't say that in front of our son. He doesn't know you're playing.
You know, you made that exact same face on our first date.
Just
Peppers. Carrots.
You see, if you're a picky eater, then bad bacteria will multiply.
We'll do our best here, but we'll need your help too.
They're right. I can do this. Oh, Mom, this is so good.
you like them?
I told you, they taste great.
I'll take some more.
And there we go. And if you open your fridge, maybe you might find Yakult Man in your home as well.
Yeah! Come man! For when you need guts, I'm Yakult Man!
Wishing all the best for you, starting with your tummy. Go, go, Yakult Man, Zekojo. Hello, good morning,
Hello, good morning.
and a new day begin.
Awesome. So I'll just pause it there, and then I'll turn the lights back on. So that is actually the end of the tour. So I'd just like to thank you all for coming today. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and I hope you guys learned a couple of things. So everyone gets a show bag here. So I'll hand out. I'll come around and I'll hand out the kids' show bags, and then I'll do the adult